We are at 105 Florentia Street, pulling back from City, Maine. Customer had several spots of root intrusion that caused a backup. Most concerning part is the break of line that is coming up here shortly. You will see right here. This is out about 30 feet from exterior cleanout. There is a tie-in that a pretty thick root is growing from that unfortunately we're just not able to hit the angle, but it is not a cause for backup. Just wasn't able to hit it because it's growing in from an inlet. There was another one, hairline. This was taking up all of the pipe. We were able to cut that out pretty good. Another inlet, or another tie-in, all the way up to exterior cleanout located in backyard. There is Florentia Street.